Can't do it more because allergies.
I don't overdo it.
No, overdo it. It's not overdoing it. Just let it all out.
I did. I did. Allergies can be terrible, but terrible.
But they are because of the sun. So hot.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Busy?
Go out there for a minute and let it out when you come in. See? Just let it all out when you come in.
I ain't even. Alright, can you get her out of here?
Good. Just let it out. That's all I'm saying.
She was a dyke.
Fucking AC's refreshing the air though. This one refreshes the air. I got a new one.
Really? Here you
That's what I mean. Your claw, just let it out.
go.
I
I need to spill this. Booger! It's booger! Booger. Why would you have boogers up my nose?
know. Just let it out. That's what it
Even
needs.
doctor knows. It's booger!
Just cough and let it out. That's the only way it gets out.
Even the lady didn't even know. It's booger!
Just let it out.
Oops. Booger! I had a booger on my nose. You know, there was once upon a time when I had to like